Hi. This instructional video is about fractions. Fractions. So, a bento box full of sushi rolls and some vegetables here. Well, for lunch, Jake ate 3/5 of the entire bento box. And then on his way home, he ate the leftover 1/3 of it. Well, his dad tried to clean his bento box. He found 4 pieces left. The question is then, what was the original number of sushi rolls he had in the lunchbox? This is the Common Core where they want you to think about the unknown values without any specific rule, so you could problem solve and understand the situation. But here's the old tool that you should know. First of all, if you ate 3/5, if Jake ate 3/5 of the sushi roll, doesn't that mean that he actually have 2/5 left over of the original? And then of that 2/5 left over later, he ate on his way home as a snack 1/3 of that. Well, doesn't that mean if he ate 1/3 of it that he would have 2/3 left over? And at the end, there are 4 pieces remaining. So look at the consistent pattern. These fractions represent what he ate. It's gone. But here is what's left over. And we are looking for, well, we have 4 left over. So we're looking for originally what did we have? This is all what we had. From the original, we have 2/5 left over, then 2/3 left over. And as a result, we have 4 left over. So the pattern is what's left over. So what we need to do is to say, multiply each of these fractions. So we got 2/5 of the 2/3 of the original X number of sushi we had, sushi rolls. And what we have remaining is 4. And this is kind of different from the way we have learned traditionally how to use fractions, how to multiply and add and combine. But it is part of an equation. So let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. And we're going to take 4/15 of the original that we have left over, and that will be 4 pieces. I hope you could see that connection. We have eaten 4/15 of the original total number of sushi rolls, and what's left is 4 pieces. So to find the original pieces, we're going to solve for that X by multiplying the reciprocal of what we ate, which becomes 15/4. And whatever you multiply the reciprocal on one side, we must do it to the other side. Anytime you multiply the reciprocal, all the factors simplify to a 1. Sometimes we mistakenly say they cancel or cross-cancel. But either way, we are going to solve for or isolate the X. And on the right side, if we multiply across, 4 times 15 is 60. 60/4, or let me just simplify the numerator and the denominator, 1 and 1. So the original was 15 pieces. The original was 15 pieces. So let's check. We have 15 pieces. Out of that, we have 2/5 left over. So 5 reduces 15 3 times. That's 6 pieces left over. And out of that, we eat 1/3, or so we have 2/3 left over. 3 reduces 6 2 times. So 2 times, there it is. That's the 4 pieces left over. So that's correct.